Meaning of drugging.
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 Drugging. Drugging refers to the act of administering drugs to someone, either with or without their knowledge or consent. The result of drugging can vary depending on the type and amount of drug used, as well as the individual's body chemistry and tolerance. Generally, drugging can lead to physical and mental impairment, loss of control, confusion, and altered perceptions. In some cases, it can also lead to unconsciousness or coma, which can be life-threatening. Drugging someone without their consent is a serious crime and can have severe legal consequences.